Hello guys, this problem aims to find the period, the frequency, and the velocity of the vibrations or the pendulum. So, based on this problem, we know that the frequency is 0.75 Hz and there are three questions in total. The first question is the reason why the vibration period will increase. The second problem is the reason why the frequency of the vibrations will decrease. The third question is the reason why the velocity of the pendulum will increase. For the solutions, I will solve those problems one by one. So the first solution is for the first question. Okay. For the first solution, I will use equation for the period of the pendulum or t. So t equal to pi square root of L per g. You know that the length of the string and g is the acceleration due to gravity. And based on that statement, the shorter the length of the pendulum, the shorter is the period of the pendulum. The final answer is B. Next, for the solution of the second question, we will use the equation for the frequency of the pendulum or F. So F equal 1 per 2 pi multiplication with square root of g per L. And you must remember that the length of the string and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Based on that statement, lengthening the pendulum increases the length of the period, which means the frequency decreases. So the final answer is B. And the last solution is for the third question. So the reason why the velocity of the pendulum will increase, we will use this statement, namely, an increase in the displacement of the pendulum gives it more potential energy. When the bulb passes through the 0 point, then the velocity is greater. The final answer is E. Hopefully this video is useful. See you in the next video.